history, and the evolution of Malayalam script. Let us go way back in time when most of the Indian subcontinent was ruled by the Mauryan Empire. The script used then mainly was the Brahmi script, as seen on the image on the right, which is an inscription during the time of Emperor Ashoka. As a side note, we can also see, due to the vast expanse of the empire, Emperor Ashoka had used other scripts like Kharoshthi, Greek, and Aramaic, depending on which language the local populace used in his empire. Concurrently, there was another script towards the south of the country called the Tamil Brahmi script, which was a related script. And from the Tamil Brahmi script arose another script called the Vatteluthu. Now we have to understand that it is not a simple topic in the sense that we cannot generalize and say that one script was used exclusively at any point of time. Rather, it would have been many scripts existing at the same place or in the near localities and evolving with each other. So to say that at one point only this script was there and towards later times it evolved into another script will be rather too simplistic. But anyway, we'll go further and see how the evolution happened. During the time of the Pallava dynasty, a new script was developed called the Pallava script, and it derived heavily from the Brahmi script. Then again, it would be very interesting to note that from the Brahmi and Pallava scripts arose the present-day languages of Sinhala in Sri Lanka, Balinese in Bali Islands of Indonesia, then Javanese of Java, Indonesia, then Thai script of Thailand, then the Burmese script of Myanmar, the Khmer language in Cambodia, and many other scripts like Telugu, Kannada, and of course Malayalam heavily, Malayalam and Tulu heavily, and Tamil definitely was influenced a lot, though it also had other branches like the Tamil Brahmi. So, and these are just the main ones. There are many other smaller languages that were influenced by these scripts. Coming back to our discussion, a script called the Grantha script was developed from the Pallava script, and this was mainly used to write the Sanskrit language, while the local languages were mostly written in the Vatteluthu script, especially so in the regions of present-day Kerala. Another script called the Tigalari, which is a script used for the Tulu language, was used mainly by the Tulu Brahmins in the southern part of Karnataka and the northern parts of Kerala. It was again heavily influenced by the Grantha script. It is very closely related to the Malayalam script and it was used mainly for writing Sanskrit. In those days, another script arose called the Manipravalam, which incorporated both the Grantha script as well as the Vatteluthu. The Grantha script was used to write the Sanskrit words and the Vatteluthu was used to write the local words. In due time, Vatteluthu gave rise to new local scripts called Kodiluthu in northern parts of Kerala and Malayanma in the Travancore south part of Kerala. Tunchathu Ezhuthachan, who is called as the father of modern day Malayalam, combined Grantha script, Vatteluthu script and the Kodiluthu script since he was from the northern part, from Malappuram area. And he combined all that and to form what we know today as the modern day Malayalam. This was further refined by Dr. Hermann Gundert, who was a German missionary and linguist. The following two tables show a comparison of words in different scripts, Grantha, Tigalari or Tulu script, Malayalam, Kannada and Sinhala, that is the Sri Lankan. This shows Malayalam, Sinhala, Tamil and Latin is just to know how it is pronounced. Now since we have an idea, we should always keep in mind this is only a very simplistic representation or presentation because it would be much more complex and many of the details we may never know in reality. But this is more or less how the Malayalam language evolved through the years, through a period of more than 2000 years, if you will. Thank you for your time.